Hello students, how are you? All of you are welcome in our YouTube channel Study Zone by ZD Sir. Myself Jagdeep Dudi, I am welcome all of you in our physics classes. Hopefully all of you are doing great. We are just to be started the second chapter in terms of the unit and dimension. In previous class we are studied about the basic formulations in terms of the fundamental quantities or the derived quantities. They are to be the types of the physical quantities. In today's class we are discussed about the further formulation in terms of the units. First thing, we will define the definitions of the unit. After that we will consider the formulations in terms of the types of the unit, and after that we are just to be considering the system of unit. क्लियर? फर्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज यूनिट? यूनिट होती क्या है जिसको अपन मात्रक की बात करते हैं? इट मीन्स इट इज टू बी द रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड यूज्ड फॉर द मेजरमेंट. इट इज टू बी द रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड दैट इज टू बी यूज्ड फॉर द मेजरमेंट. इट इज टू बी द रेफरेंस स्टैंडर्ड used for measurement. Here I am not to be considering a particular kind of the measurement. It is to be applicable for the any kind of the measurement. Like when we are measuring the length, it is to be considered as the meter. When we are measuring the weight, it is to be in terms of the kilogram. When we are measuring the time, then it is to be in terms of the seconds. Clear? It means the unit, it is to be the reference or the standard that is to be used for the measurement. Like in first class we have discussed about the few difference in terms of the 2 and the 2 meter, in terms of the 5 and the 5 kg, and in terms of the 3 and the 3 seconds. It is to be a basic difference. When we are talking about the 2, it is to be measurable, but it is not to be having a particular meaning. When I am just to be write down the 2 meter, it means here we are considering, we are talking about the length. In terms of the length, it is to be the 2 meter. When I am talking about the 5, again it is not to be having a particular meaning. Then when I am talking about the 5 kg, it means we are just to be talking about a particular measurement, that measurement of a quantity that is to be measured into the kilogram, like 5 kg sugar, 5 kg anything जो भी आप यूज़ करना चाहें, वेजिटेबल्स. 3 seconds, 3 and the 3 seconds, 3, it is again, it is to be not to be having the proper meaning, but the 3 second it is to be having the proper meaning. Like you are just to be working the 3 minutes, you are just to be watching movie for the 3 minutes, you are just to be watching this particular video for the 3 seconds, then it is to be in terms of the measurement. Clear? Then these are to be the unit, kilogram and the seconds. These are the unit of that particular formulations. Here meter, it is also to be the unit, kilogram it is also to be the unit, and the second it is also to be the unit. Clear? It is to be the basic formulations of the unit. कहने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना सा है कि किसी भी अनडिफाइंड क्वांटिटी को एक मेजरेबल, एक रोल देने के लिए अपन उसके साथ एक यूनिट लगा देते हैं, और वो यूनिट लगते ही वो फॉर्मुलेशंस क्या बन जाती है आपके पास इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए मीनिंगफुल फॉर्मुलेशन बन जाती है. लाइक यू आर ए स्टूडेंट बट यू आर नॉट टू बी ज्वाइंड एनी स्कूल. यदि आपने कोई स्कूल ज्वाइन नहीं कर रखा है, इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट ए स्टूडेंट. और जैसे आप किसी भी स्कूल में एडमिशन ले लेते हैं, इट मीन्स यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कूल. इट मीन्स हियर योर आइडेंटिटीज आर टू बी एज ए स्टूडेंट, बट you are a student when you are taking admission into any particular school. Like here you are a CCA student. Okay, next we will talk about the types of the unit. It is again considerable as the fundamental and derived. Sometimes it is not to be defined, and the third one is to be the supplementary. Some students, maybe I think there is not any student that are to be getting the supplementary into the 10th examinations. All of you are clear the 10th examinations with good marks. Then after that we will discuss about the fundamental, derived and the supplementary formulations. the units that are to be related to the fundamental physical quantities, they are to be known as the fundamental unit. If the units are to be related to the derived, then they are just to be related to the formulation of the derived units. Now the supplementary, it is to be in terms of the radian and the steradian when we are just to be making the angles. It is to be related to the angle and the solid angle and the solid angle. We will also to be discussed in terms of the measurement of the angle, in terms of the degree and the radian measurement, and after that we will also to be discussed how to convert the degree into radian and the radian into degree. But in present situations we are just to be talking about the particular formulations. In next class we will also to be discussed about the angle and the solid angle, how they are to be measured. Now here I am considering the system of unit. You are already to be studied about it. There are the 4 types of the system. It is to be the SI unit system. First one is to be the SI unit system. Second, it is to be the MKS unit system. Third one it is to be the FPS, sorry, it is to be the CGS unit system, and the fourth one it is to be the FPS unit system. First we will talk about the full form, and after that we will proceed. Up to till take a screenshot. Okay, now we will talk about the system of the unit. First, in terms of the length, first we will measure the length, after that we will measure the mass, and the third we will measure the time. These are to be the 3 basic physical quantities. That's why here each and every unit system is to be defined as per these 3 formulations. जब अपन ने शुरू में इन्वेंट किया, we are having only these 3 physical quantities. It means the unit system are to be totally based or the depending upon these 3 formulations in terms of the quantities, length, mass and the time. First we will talk about the foot. It is to be FPS. It is to be defined in terms of the foot, pound and the second. It is to be the feet or the foot, जो भी आप इसको लिखते हैं, and it is to be in terms of the pound, and it is to be in terms of the second. Now the formulations, it is to be related to the length. ये किसको मेजर करेगा? लेंथ को. It is to be the measurement of the mass, and it is to be the measurement of the time. It means it is to be our first unit system that is to be invented in terms of the feet, pound and the second. It means length is to be measured with the help of the foot. It means आप कितने फुट्स आपने मूव किए उसी के रेस्पेक्ट में अपन लेते थे. It is also to be considered when we are going into the any जब आप कोई भी क्लॉथ्स वगैरह खरीदने जाते हैं तो आप मीटर्स में यूज़ करते हैं. व्हेन यू आर जस्ट टू बी वर्किंग और व्हेन यू आर मेजरिंग द your length, then that particular formulations you are using the feet formulations. जब आप रूम की साइज़ की भी बात करते हैं तो आप मीटर में भी बात करते हैं, फिट में भी बातें करते हैं. when we are using the scale, it means उसको अपन हिंदी में फुट बोलते हैं. it is also to be in terms of the. next it is to be the pound. again it is to be the measurement of the mass, and the mass it is to be measured in terms of the pound, because उस टाइम पे आपके पास पाउंड्स जो आप कुछ बॉवल्स यूज़ करते थे. when we are talking about the basic formulations, पहले सिस्टम में यही था कि like you are having the just you are need some things and you are just to be going to your neighbor asking about that particular formulations. You are giving some object to him and he is just to be giving the another object. They are just to be fulfilling the need of everyone's. ऐसे ही फॉर्मुलेशंस होती थी, एक दूसरे की नीड को फुलफिल करते थे और काम चल जाता था. बट आफ्टर दैट व्हेन लाइक इफ यू आर जस्ट टू बी नीडेड द ए बाउल ऑफ द शुगर एंड यू आर जस्ट टू बी हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ द वीट्स एट योर पर्टिकुलर होम, it means you are just to be bring a bowl of the wheat and send it to your neighbors, and said you are just to be considering and giving me to the 1 bowl of the sugar. Then it is to be the basic method, but after the formulations, like जब कोई चालाक आदमी बीच में आ गया, then the formulations it is just to be explaining कि the sugar it is to be having the higher cost here than the wheat. It means in their particular formulations, it means it is just to be creating there a difference of the costing of both the objects, and that's why it is to be the formulations we are needed the particular formulation in terms of the unit system, and that time it is to be measured in terms of the second. Okay, next we will talk about the next formulations in terms of the in terms of the CGS unit system. As per the nominations, it is to be the centimeter, again gram, and it is to be the second. Centimeter, it is to be the measurement of the length, again it is to be the measurement of the mass, and it is to be the measurement of the time. It is to be always measured into the second, but the measurement of the length and mass it is to be changed. Earlier we are using the foot, in place of this system we are using the centimeter. Earlier we are using the pound, in this system we are using the gram. Next we will talk about the MKS unit system. MKS, it is to be the basic unit system. Again in that particular system we are just to be using meter, kilogram, and the second. Again the same formulations. Meter, it is to be related to the length, kilogram, it is to be related to the mass, and the second it is to be related to the time. Clear? It means these are to be the basic related to the, always we are considering the 3 measurements, and now we are just to be considering upon the SI unit system. It is to be the international standard or the standard internationally acceptables. It is to be the international standard, that's why it is to be applicable anywhere into our formulations, into our earth. SI unit system, standard international unit system. SI unit system, it is to be the modified formulations, modified formations of MKS system. The reason, in case of the MKS system, we are just to be using the 3 fundamental quantities or the 3 fundamental units. But in case of the SI system, we are just to be considering these fundamental units in terms of the 7 fundamental units or the 7 fundamental quantities. Clear? And what are the nominations of these 7 fundamental quantities? It is to be in terms of the first one is again the same in terms of the length. Second, it is to be in terms of the mass. Third, again the same, it is to be in terms of the time. Now the fourth one, it is to be in terms of the temperature. And the fifth one, it is to be in terms of the intensity of light. And the next formulations, fifth formulation, it is to be in terms of the amount of substance. It is to be in terms of the amount of substance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the seventh one is the length. It is to be represented by in the meter. It is to be in terms of the kilogram. It is to be in terms of the second. It is to be in terms of the degree Kelvin. It is to be in terms of the candela. It is to be in terms of the mole. And the one more unit, it is to be in terms of the electric current. It is to be in terms of the electric current. Okay. In today's class, we have discussed about the first thing about the unit, second thing types of the unit in terms of the fundamental, derived, and the supplementary units. And after that, we have discussed about the unit system in terms of the FPS, CGS, MKS and the SI unit system, and we are just to be considering how the length, the measurement of the length is to be changed, how the measurement of the mass is to be changed, how the measurement of the time is to be changed, and after that we will discuss about the SI unit system. It is to be presently used by us. अपन जो आजकल सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं, it is to be the SI unit system. The important thing, in case of the SI unit system, we are having the 7 fundamental units in terms of the length, mass, time, temperature, intensity of light, amount of substance and the electric current. Okay, we will discuss about the everything into the details into next lecture. It is to be the end of the today's lecture. Okay, in next class we are discussed about the dimension, how to write down the dimensional formula, as well as we are discussed about the measurement of the angle in terms of the degree or in terms of the radians, and after that we will also to be discussed about the conversion from degree to radian and radian to degree. Hopefully all of you are just to be enjoying, and these videos are to be informative to all of you. If you are getting out, these videos are to be helpful to understand the concept of physics, then please like and share these videos up to your friends, up to your classmates. If you are new in our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channels. Here I am just to be considering the formulations. मेरा मोटिव है कि आप लोगों को एक easy manner में physics को समझाया जाए. If you are having the any concern regarding to the language, if you are not able to getting out each and everything into the English, if you are needed the some part, it is to be also to be considered into Hindi language. You are just to be given your suggestion into the comments box. I will consider each and every suggestions, and my motive is just to be each and every students of your class. It is to be able to understand the concept of the physics. There is no need to be worried about the physics. It is to be very easy subject. Here we are just to be transforming our science into the formulations of the physics as well as chemistry and the biology. That's why when you are just to be dividing a single path into the 3 path, there is a little bit confusion into your mind. दिमाग में थोड़ा सा confusion रहता है कि which is to be the easier path and which is to be the toughest. Here I am just to be promising all of you, there is no need to worry in my subject. I am always to be ready to help to all of you. If you are having any kind of the concern, you are just to be writing down into the comment section, or you are also to be just ask your queries into my WhatsApp number 7737278066. If you are having any concern, you are just to be messaging on the WhatsApp, or you can call anytime. Whenever I am free, I am just to be answering about your queries. Okay, please like and share the videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. See you into the next class.